Efeilliaid Kargbo. It's a Kargbo by Colin. That was good. Watch this. Yep. Oh, the touch is poor. The touch isn't there, but you see the throw though? That's gone into the sea. You got a touch like a trampoline.
Well, guys, I'm going to be straight with you right from the beginning like this. I have always had a soft spot for an Irish accent. Take me to the beginning, you know, growing up in Ireland. What was it like?
We grew up in Cork City. Grew up in a bit of a rough place, like, but it is what it is, isn't it?
You're identical twins, I can see that.
I'm the better looking one. That's just what people say, innit?
Is it?
No, it's just whoever gets that joke out first wins, really.
Can I ask you what your earliest memory is around football?
The first football we got, it wrapped up for Christmas, but they didn't bother putting it in a box or anything. They just wrapped the football up. We was bouncing it, wondering like, hey, what's in this? Is it a football? Yeah, my dad used to train us. He used to train us every day. We used to bring us to the pitch and make us do 10 laps after school. We would cry and we didn't want to go. I've got a dog now.
Hello.
What's up? Oh, there's another one. Hey, look at that one. Wow, look at this one. Come on, you got a pan to that though. I won't lie. Look at that thing. Dog whispers.
Yeah, you must be, because they're all coming over to you. Tell me about TikTok, because I only just found out about this and it's blown my mind a little bit, to be honest with you.
We were in a pitch and we seen a video and we said, Johnny, we try it, we make one. The next day it was on millions of views, so we kept making them. We copied this guy and he commented on the video as well. Got like 8 million views or something, he commented, that's my video. So we just deleted the comment. We just deleted the comment. But then from there on, we started making our own stuff and people started copying us. We just used to kick each other. We're good at like kicking each other but not hurting each other. So we just did that and everyone was just buzzing off Brexit tackles.
People sent you boots?
Yeah, we put the boots in the video. It was like a promotion. Yeah, but we got managers then from London. So if someone made a song, they'd pay to promote the song, they'd pay our managers and we just put the song in our video. We'd get like a few million views and then that's what we got paid from, and everything. We had managers, the whole thing.
That's nuts.
Mad, innit? Sick for you, innit? Jinx.
Do you reckon you guys are telepathic? Is that a real thing when it comes to twins?
I think so, you know.
It is, yeah. Twin stinks, we call it.
Twin stinks?
Yeah.
Okay. So, like, give me some examples.
I can just look at him in the eyes and just look at him and we know what we're thinking.
In his head, there's a sentence he'll say. If I just look at him now, we can just read each other.
Like, say if he's talking, I can just cut in and keep speaking for him. Do you know what I mean?
And he'll be like, that's what I was going to say.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
You actually just said that at exactly the same time
as well. That's what I'm saying. It's weird. Like, sometimes I'd be looking at him saying, you're the same person as me.
We're proper close, you know.
Yeah, very close.
Proper close. Even when I lived in Australia, we used to talk all the time. Be on the phone for hours.
What was that like for you, him being all the way over there and you
tough.
over here?
I was in Ireland at the time. It was a tough year, yeah. We haven't been apart. We've been together the whole time, and that was the first year he left.
While we're on the subject of Australia, I've got to get you to tell the shark story.
So there was one time, right, I was out there surfing. Bear in mind now, I can't surf. Next thing now, everyone starts running, like swimming, getting back to shore. And I'm thinking, all right, maybe there's a big wave coming. I've got a surfboard. Let me just catch this one, right? It actually wasn't because there was a wave coming, there was a shark in the middle of me and the shore. Like, I'm out here, the shark's here, the shore's there. And whatever, I managed to get back. There's an app out there, like Shark Tracker or something, you can track all sharks. Now I go on there and there's a tiger shark, a 3 meter plus tiger shark in the middle of me and
No way.
Yeah, girthy one, that's a girthy one too, isn't it?
Bro, it's a shark, innit? Even if it was a dolphin, I probably would have had a heart attack. Just imagine you're in the water and you see the fin.
If you guys weren't playing football, what do you reckon you'd do?
I'd be a ninja. International ninja. 100%.
In fairness, we've seen some of the evidence today as well, haven't we?
Look at me. Crazy, crazy.
I have had an absolute ball with you guys today, so thank you so much. I know you've been practicing your Cymraeg as well. Diolch.
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 Nice one, that's perfect.
Can barely speak English, jeez.